Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll review the 12 best Dividend Aristocrat stocks to buy in 2023. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. This year, as the market declines to new lows, investors are demonstrating a resurgence of interest in dividend stocks. The importance of dividend investments in the current market environment has been exposed by investors' quest for higher dividend income and yields. The S&P 500 companies paid out a record $140.6 billion in dividends in the second quarter, surpassing the $123.4 billion paid during the same period last year, according to a Wall Street Journal report. Dividend Aristocrats companies that have raised their dividends for 25 years or more have outperformed the broader index over the years. Various studies revealed that dividend growers have been a reliable source of stable and regular income for investors in the past. S&P Global reported that from December 1999 to June 2019, the S&P 500 high-yield Dividend Aristocrats generated a total return of 590.3%, with dividends accounting for 57% of the total return. The best dividend stocks include Johnson & Johnson, Kimberly-Clark Corporation, and AbbVie Incorporated, all of which have increased their payouts over time. Let's go over our list of the top 12 Dividend Aristocrats based on their yields as of November 14, 2022. Number 12. Chubb Limited, ticker, CB. Dividend yield as of November 14, 1.59%. Chubb Limited is one of the world's largest insurance companies, headquartered in New Jersey, U.S. In Q3 2022, the company reported an operating cash flow of $3.43 billion, which shows that its cash generation is stable. During the quarter, it returned over $1.03 billion to shareholders, including $346 million in dividends. The company's shareholder obligation makes it one of the best dividend stocks to buy. Chubb Limited currently pays a quarterly dividend of 83 cents per share and has a dividend yield of 1.59% as of November 14. The company's dividend growth streak stands at 29 years. In October 2022, Raymond James raised its price target on Chubb Limited to $270 with a strong buy rating on the shares, following the company's Q3 results. The firm mentioned that the company is well positioned to report improving underlying results in the current environment. Number 11. Walmart Incorporated, ticker, WMT. Dividend yield as of November 14, 1.57%. Walmart Incorporated is an American multinational retail company. In November, Deutsche Bank maintained its buy rating on the stock with a $161 price target ahead of the company's Q3 earnings. The firm also appreciated the company's strong fundamentals. Walmart has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 49 years, which places it as one of the best dividend stocks. It currently pays a quarterly dividend of 56 cents per share and has a dividend yield of 1.57% as of November 14, 2022. Number 10. Chevron Corporation, ticker, CVX. Dividend yield as of November 14, 3.05%. Chevron Corporation is a California-based energy industry company that specializes in the exploration of oil and natural gas. In November 2022, Piper Sandler raised its price target on the stock to $206 with an overweight rating on the shares, appreciating the company's recent quarterly earnings. In the third quarter of 2022, Chevron Corporation reported strong cash generation. The company's operating cash flow came in at $15.3 billion and its free cash flow amounted to $12.3 billion. It also paid $6.5 billion to shareholders during the quarter, $2.7 billion of which represented dividend payments. Chevron Corporation currently offers a quarterly dividend of $1.42 per share. The company is added to our list of the best dividend stocks as it has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 35 years. As of November 14, 2022, the stock has a dividend yield of 3.05%. Number 9. Exxon Mobil Corporation, ticker, XOM. Dividend yield as of November 14, 3.21%. An American natural gas company, Exxon Mobil Corporation announced a 3% hike in its quarterly dividend on October 28. This took the company's dividend growth streak to 40 years. It currently offers a quarterly dividend of 91 cents per share for a dividend yield of 3.21%, as recorded on November 14, 2022. Exxon Mobil Corporation has reported a strong cash position over the years, which has gained strength in the recent quarter due to growing oil prices. The company's operating cash flow in Q3 2022 came in at $24.4 billion and its free cash flow was recorded at $22 billion. It paid $8.2 billion to shareholders during the quarter, including $3.7 billion in dividends, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks to buy. Appreciating the company's strong Q3 results and growth across all sectors, Piper Sandler raised its price target on Exxon Mobil Corporation to $131 in November with an overweight rating on the shares. Number 8. Medtronic plc, ticker, MDT. Dividend yield as of November 14, 3.26%. Medtronic plc is an American medical device company, headquartered in Ireland. The company was a part of 54 hedge fund portfolios in Q2 2022, the same as in the previous quarter. The stakes owned by these hedge funds have a total value of over $2.48 billion. Some of Wall Street's biggest names own stakes in the company in Q2, including Rick Dillon and Ken Fisher. Medtronic plc pays a quarterly dividend of 68 cents per share for a dividend yield of 3.26% as of November 14. The company's dividend growth streak stands at 45 years. Barclays highlighted the strong fundamentals of Medtronic plc and initiated its coverage on the stock in October with an equal weight rating and a $90 price target. Number 7. TROW Price Group Incorporated, ticker, TROW. Dividend yield as of November 14, 3.60%. TROW Price Group Incorporated is an American investment management firm that offers financial and other investment-centric services to its consumers. In October, the company reported growth in its assets under management to $1.28 trillion, from $1.23 trillion at the end of September. During Q3 2022, it returned $500.9 million to shareholders, including $224.5 million in dividends, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks. TROW Price Group Incorporated has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 36 years. It currently pays a quarterly dividend of $1.20 per share and has a dividend yield of 3.60% as of November 14. Number 6. Essex Property Trust Incorporated, ticker, ESS. Dividend yield as of November 14, 4.14%. Essex Property Trust Incorporated is a California-based real estate investment trust company that invests in apartment buildings. In October, Stifel maintained a buy rating on the stock with a $291 price target. The firm mentioned that the company can benefit due to growth in rentals but also expressed concerns regarding the current market condition. In Q3 2022, Essex Property Trust Incorporated reported year-over-year growth in same-property revenues and net income by 11.4% and 15.4%, respectively. During the quarter, the company also repurchased shares worth over $97.6 million under its ongoing stock repurchase program. Essex Property Trust, one of the best dividend stocks, currently pays a quarterly dividend of $2.20 per share. It has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 28 years. As of November 14, the stock has a dividend yield of 4.14%. Number 5. Amcor plc, ticker, AMCR. Dividend yield as of November 14, 4.19%. Amcor plc is an American multinational packaging company that specializes in flexible packaging. In fiscal Q1 2023, the company reported an 8.5% year-over-year growth in its revenue at $3.71 billion. The company generated an adjusted free cash flow of $400 million and paid $181 million in dividends to shareholders, which shows that its cash flow is sufficient to cover its dividends. In November 2022, Amcor plc declared a 2.1% growth in its quarterly dividend to $0.1225 per share. This was the company's 39th consecutive year of dividend growth. The stock's dividend yield on November 14 came in at 4.19%. Bank of America called the packaging industry the cheapest group in the current market and double upgraded Amcor plc to buy in October with a $13 price target. Number 4. Franklin Resources Incorporated, ticker, BEN. Dividend yield as of November 14, 4.24%. An American multinational holding company, Franklin Resources Incorporated reported $1.3 trillion in assets under management in October, up from $1.29 trillion in the previous month. At the end of the fiscal year 2022, the company had $6.8 billion available in cash and investments. It also paid $773 million to shareholders in dividends and share repurchases, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks. Franklin Resources Incorporated maintains a 42-year streak of consistent dividend growth. The company pays a quarterly dividend of 29 cents per share for a dividend yield of 4.24% as of November 14, 2022. In October 2022, Credit Suisse appreciated the company's focus on growth across all its sectors and its improving fundamentals in the current financial volatility. Given this, the firm initiated its coverage of the stock with a neutral rating. Number 3. Realty Income Corporation, ticker O. The dividend yield as of November 14, 4.58%. Realty Income Corporation is another best dividend stock on our list as it pays monthly dividends to shareholders. The Real Estate Investment Trust has paid regular dividends to shareholders for the past 100 quarters and has raised its payouts consistently for the past 28 years. It currently pays a monthly dividend of $0.248 per share and has a dividend yield of 4.58% as of November 14. In October 2022, Raymond James maintained an outperform rating on Realty Income Corporation with a $68 price target. The firm sees the company as a strong risk/reward play within the net lease. Number 2. International Business Machines Corporation, ticker IBM. Dividend yield as of November 14, 4.62%. International Business Machines Corporation is a New York-based tech company that provides a wide range of tech services to its consumers. In the first 9 months of the year, the company reported an operating cash flow of $6.5 billion and its free cash flow amounted to $4.1 billion. The company remained committed to its shareholder obligation in Q3 2022, returning $1.5 billion to stakeholders through dividends. IBM is one of the best dividend stocks on our list as it has been making regular dividend payments since 1916. Moreover, the company has achieved a 27-year dividend growth streak. It pays a quarterly dividend of $1.65 per share and has a dividend yield of 4.62% as of November 14, 2022. Morgan Stanley maintained an overweight rating on International Business Machines Corporation in October with a $152 price target, highlighting the company's balance sheet and its growing revenue. Number 1. Walgreens Boots Alliance Incorporated, ticker WBA. Dividend yield as of November 14, 4.70%. Walgreens Boots Alliance is an American multinational pharmacy retail company. In November 2022, Deutsche Bank upgraded the stock to buy with a $50 price target, appreciating the company's ability to execute its care delivery strategy. The firm further mentioned that this step would lead the company toward multiple expansions and positive revisions. Walgreens Boots Alliance Incorporated maintains a 41-year streak of dividend growth, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks on our list. It currently pays a quarterly dividend of 48 cents per share for a dividend yield of 4.70% as of November 14, 2022. This concludes our list of the 12 best Dividend Aristocrat stocks to buy in 2023. As always, it is essential to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned cash to buying stocks or investing in the market. Which of these Dividend Aristocrats would you like to add to your investment portfolio? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.